All right, guys, this is the Worx Sandeck, and I'll be honest, this is a really cool sander. A lot of options, a lot of features with it. Basically, it's very easy to use. You got your battery right there, which is easy, and I do recommend probably a 4 amp hour battery for this. This thing, I don't feel like it I just don't feel like there was enough power in this to keep this running long enough. You got your power settings right here, so you can adjust this down. Your on-off switch is right here. You also have this here, which is how you're going to change out your, not blades, but your attachments. So to add attachments to this, we're going to turn it to the off position, and we're going to hit this button. And this is going to pop up, and you'll see here you've got tighten, loosen. So if I want to loosen it, I would turn it to the left. But what I'm going to do, basically, you're just going to take one of the attachments here, set it on like that. Then we'll take this and we'll tighten this down until it's tight. Then we'll pop it back and lock that in place. And now this attachment is on there. And again, I've got the circular attachment. Turn the power on like this. And I'll show you this in use here in a little bit. I mean, that's one of the attachments I use quite a bit. We've also got a detail attachment, which attaches the same way. Take this off. Now, with that detail attachment, you've got your corner spots here, but you also have another attachment here that will screw on. So there's a little Phillips screw in there. If we undid that, we could put this on here, and basically we get a finer point for more detail, right? So we can get into smaller spots. And that's one thing. Actually, I just completed a project with cabinets. The detail and the ability to kind of go in the corners and sand is really important. So this is kind of just a really nice attachment, and I'll show you how I did that in a minute. This attachment goes on it as well. So if I just get a little piece of sandpaper, stick it on here, and then I can do smaller areas. So that's kind of nice. I mean, they've thought of a lot of stuff here. This is really unique. I haven't seen another sander out there like this. I really like it. This piece here is for paper. So if you have another piece of paper, what you can do is just set the paper here, and then basically push this down, and then you can attach it using this, or if you just want to poke holes, that works too. So that's kind of what that's for, kind of unique. I don't use it a lot, but if you want to use your own paper, it is nice, because then you don't got to keep buying the same one with the same holes. So that's nice. The other thing I really like about this is I've got a dust collection here for small stuff, right? Let's say I'm going somewhere. I can just put this on, get a little dust collection. I can also pull this off. Got another attachment here that I can put on, and I can hook up my vacuum in my shop. Or if I have another vacuum just that I carry with me, I can hook that up right there. The attachment is there. So they've really thought of everything here. This is a really cool piece. I use it actually, like I said, quite a bit, especially this attachment here. It looks pretty new, but I like to keep my tools clean. But again, that little extra attachment there is huge when you're doing small, fine stuff, where it's a challenge to get this detail piece, this detail edge into that corner. This thing is great. I really like that.